Lightning is Earth's power plant, and it's wild. Spoiler, Zeus overdid the caffeine. Before this electric secret fades, smash like and subscribe for charged up facts. A single lightning bolt packs 1 billion joules, enough to power a home for a month. Temperature, 30,000 degrees Celsius, 5 times hotter than the sun's surface. Static charges in clouds create super Saiyan sparks, but we can't harness them yet. Fun fact, lightning strikes 8 million times daily, Earth's ultimate free energy. So next time you see a storm, respect the sky's fury. Pro tip: unplug devices or become lightning's USB port. Subscribe for more electrifying science and share if you're charged up.